Happy New Year to all, dear students, parents, and staff. Wishing you and your family for filled with joy, success, and prosperity. Thank you.
Hello my dear students, it is always pleasure meeting you either virtually or physically. So it is great to meet you all on this New Year's Day and wish you all a very happy New Year. Let us have a quick recap of 2020. 2020 has been the most phenomenal years we have ever seen because the things we have dreamt not happened has happened this year. We never expected that our parents will be giving mobile phones to us and asking us to sit with mobile phone. Being in school, having your own mobile phone, all such things has come true. And we never expected that our parents would be best friends who can play with us. And we never expected that our houses, normal houses, can turn to be heavens and homes. So all such things has come true in 2020. So let us just throw the light on only the brighter side of this 2020 and move ahead with all the sweet memories into 2021. So coming up, doing nothing has benefited the environment. Making us to stick to the environment, stick to the houses has benefited the environment, has made a pause to the global warming. All such things has happened. So with all the goodness that 2020 has given and leaving all the grief and things which will not benefit us in ahead, we will be stepping ahead to 2021, wishing you all a very happy and prosperous new year, and hope we all will be facing the challenge which we are going through most effectively, as 2020 has trained us very well, and we are going to make
Good morning, children. This new year is so special as it has bring new challenges and experiences. Let's have some new changes as it is perfect time to upgrade our skills. As a school, we are trying hard to take our students on a higher level. We always try to teach the children the way they should learn and help them climb their own mountains as high as possible. Here, all the faculty members are striving to bring out the best in you. My dear children, the school is always with your journey towards success. At last, I would like to say that I am blessed to find myself among such talented teachers and brilliant students. I once again wish you all a very happy new year.
Hi dear students and parents, hope all of you doing good. I wish a fantastic and fruitful new year to all of you. I believe you lead a great future ahead with the help of the lessons you learned during pandemic. Stay safe, stay learning, stay rocking. Thank you.
Dear students, parents and staff, may this year brings happiness, new goals, new achievements and lot of new inspirations on your life. Once again, Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Janvi Lamni of 7th Group. Today I am going to say resolutions for New Year. Make 2021 a best year. The new year stands before us like a fresh chapter in a book. Leave about the year that has been end. It's time to look forward to the year that's about to start. It's entirely up to us. Take the first step to make sure that's a great chapter by setting New Year resolutions. New Year resolutions are: start meditation practice, read more books, learn something new each.
Hi everyone, I am Sita of 7th Blue Fort City School. Happy New Year everyone. My New Year resolution is I will eat all my veggies even if I don't like them because I know they are good for me. I will get into good hand washing things.
Hello my dear teachers and friends, I am Abhinav of grade 3. Would like to share my New Year resolutions. I want to brush my teeth twice a day to get rid of germs. I want to have a fruit or a veggie in every meal and avoid junk food. I want to practice yoga and Surya Namaskaras every day to be fit and healthy. I want to get a good score in my academics and participate in various activities. I want to learn new skills.
short-term goal. My aim in life is to be a good teacher. My parents and teachers always tell me the importance of teaching. It is a noble profession. I want to make the students a good human being and a good citizen. I want to become a guide, philosopher and a real friend of the students. I will explain to them clearly every chapter so that they can learn it easily.
Hi guys, my name is Josh. I'm studying 6th grade. Today I will tell about 2020 and 2021 difference. In 2021, in first month, I want to improve my handwriting. Because in 2020, my handwriting is somewhat better. Because in 2021, I want to improve my handwriting some more and some more. In second month, 2021 second month, I want to help any poor people. Because of, in 2020, the poor people didn't have food and animals didn't have food because of the corona. That's why only I want to help poor people in the second month. In third month, I want to learn dance. Because of I will do well at dance, that's why I want to learn dance some more and I want to improve the dance some more and some more. Reading skills. In 2021, fourth month, I want to learn reading skills. In fifth month, I want to learn reading skills.
Hi everyone, my name is Vaibhav. I am from 5th grade CBSE. Now I would share my short-term goal, long-term goal and my resolution. My resolution is I want to be calm and quiet without getting any anger. Because due to some incidents such as teasing for me and telling any bad thing about me, I will be so angry. So from this year onwards, I want to be calm and quiet.
My name is Jit Reddy. I'm studying 6th grade. Today I will tell you my short dream and long dream and my New Year resolution. My New Year resolution is to score good marks in exam and to be a bright student in the class. And my New Year resolution, now I will tell you my short dream and long dream. My short dream is to be a dancer because I love dance so much. And my long dream is to be a doctor because the people who are suffering for the mind.
Hi, my name is Likita, Class 1 Blue. My resolution for 2021 are: first, I'm going to eat less chocolates. Second, I'm going to see less fun. Third, I'm going to play outdoor games. Fourth, I'm going to read and write. The five, I'm going to do gymnastics, karate and yoga. I wish you a happy new year. Thank you.
Hi friends, hi ma'am. My name is G. Punaprati. I'm studying in 4 City. I'm from first standard green section. Friendship 2021 is I improve my writing. I help to others. I help to my mom in all works. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy New Year.
Good morning, my name is Uma Sakit. I am studying in 6th class. Today I will tell about my resolution of the new year 2021 to 22. The first resolution of the new year is newspaper. I will read a daily newspaper and find new words and their meanings. The second resolution of the new year is yoga and exercises. I will join a yoga classes regularly.
Hi, my name is Vanshika. I am studying in 6th class in Fort City School. And now I want to share my resolution with you. And my resolution is reading very well in this year and giving a nice name to my parents. And also wishing you a very happy new year. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, this is P. Manaswini studying in 7th Blue of Fort City School, CBSE. Today I am going to share my New Year resolution with you all. My New Year resolution is to stop delaying works.
Hello, I am
evening to all. Myself Yashashwini. I am studying in 8th grade. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This year has been a really tough year for all of us. So let us welcome 2021 with happiness and joy. So this year I will try to eat more healthy food and avoid junk food. And I will try to exercise daily in the morning. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. My name is P. Venushi. I am studying 5th class Blue section in Fort City School. Today I am going to tell my resolution things in 2021. I am going to start a meditation practice for good health. I am going to do this meditation practice every morning, and I am going to be a volunteer. And then I am going to pick a new hobby and read more knowledgeing books and be confident. And then I'm going to be grateful. And then I'm going to eat less junk food.
Good morning. I am Aradhya Jha. I am studying in 1st standard Blue in Fort City School. Happy New Year to you all. My New Year resolution is wake up early. Listen to my parents. To do homework regularly. To keep my room clean. They're helpful. Let's best to us, parents, teachers and others. If my mother in household call, be kind and helpful. Save water. Switch off lights and fans. Not you. Be happy. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good morning one and all. I am B. Gayatri of 8th Blue Fort City School CBSE. Today I am going to share some resolutions for New Year. First of all, Happy New Year to you all. Now, when time passes on, we should leave our bad habits and move to good ones. In the same way, we should focus on small things to build a better system of habits. Now, I am going to share some resolutions for New Year. First one, drink more and more water to be healthy.
Hello everyone, this is Patan Tanvir studying 4th class in Fort City School. Setting New Year's resolution is a good move to change ourselves year after year. As a student, I want to cultivate good habits, focus on a healthy diet, learn rather than memorize, speak up when I do not understand, be more helpful to needy people. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Nivedita, 8th grade CBSE. Firstly, I wish you Happy New Year and Happy Christmas. Though 2020 has been a tough year for most people worldwide, now that 2021 is around the corner. Therefore, it is a time for a fresh beginning with a New Year's resolution. First, I thought to do meditation every day as it can give a good relief for us. And secondly, I thought to read newspaper every day as it give a knowledge. And to be honest, this is a common thing for most of us. That was I have to change my wake up timings. Thank you.
Goals help you to measure the progress. They also help you to beat procrastination. Goals help you to determine what you want in life. So, setting goals gives you a long term of vision and a short term of motivation. It organizes the time that make most of your life. My short term goal is to practice yoga, which helps me for my long term goal. To gain knowledge and to establish myself in a good position with humanity to serve the old people. It also helps me to stay fit and healthy, which is very important to become a classical dancer, which is my passion. Respected director sirs, principal ma'am, and my dear teachers, friends, wish you a happy new year. Thank you.
A very fantastic morning to my mentor. I am P. Harish from 4th Blue 4 City School CBSE. Today I am going to speak about my short-term goal and long-term goal. Everyone has a specific goal in their life. In the same way, I too have my short-term goal and long-term goal. My short-term goal is to become active in class, should get nice marks in coming all exams. I am happy to say my long-term goal that is to become IPS, that is Indian Police Service, because many people fear to approach to the police, and I keep law and order and better service to the people. Thank you, ma'am and sir, for giving this opportunity for expressing my goals.
Hi friends, my name is I Tanusha. I'm studying in 6th Blue 4th City School in CBSE block. Wish you a happy new year, and we are entering to a new year 2021. And it's a new big thing, we are entering to a new year. In this new year resolutions I have taken is my long-term goal and short-term goal. My long-term goal is to be a dancer, and my short-term goal is to be playing with mobile phones and watching TV for a long time. And again, wish you a happy new year to everyone.
Good evening ma'am, I'm Gautam and I'm studying in 5th class. Today I want to tell about my present situation and future goals of my career. First I want to tell about my present situation. As we all know, we are dealing with a strong virus called coronavirus. For defeating and overcoming on it, we have to follow some safety measures like wearing masks and goggles and follow social distancing. And last year I have missed many classroom activities and my teachers and classmates. Soon I am thinking we will meet again after defeating and overcoming the corona. I want to tell about my future goal. I want to be an astronaut and a part and a member in a ISRO team. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you. Very happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you. Cricket Rani, हुए पुरानी, दोहरे मेरे संग कोई गीत नया. Happy New Year to you. To you, to you. Happy New Year to you. To you, to you. Good morning, madam. I'm Shuviksha of 3rd grade 4th City School. As I want to become a doctor, so I must be healthy and strong. And this year I promise myself to eat all kinds of and make myself fit and healthy. Stay home, stay safe. Happy New Year. Thank you, madam. Hi friends, good morning to one and all. My name is Nadi Second Green. The New Year is celebrated on January 1st. Today I tell about my New Year resolutions. I will be respect my parents, teachers and elders. I never give up my studies. I will read many studies to achieve my goal. I listen my mom and dad.
Hello everybody, I'm NB Vahin of class 5th grade. Today we will discuss about my short term goal and my long term goal. Friends, we faced many problems in 2020 due to COVID-19. So we will welcome the 2021 for our better life. So my short term goal is to get admission in Sainik School.
Good morning ma'am, my name is M. Pranam. I am studying 5th grade. Today I want to tell about my resolution for 2021. हमेशा माँ बाप का बात सुनना और अच्छी तरह पढ़ना, घर की सफाई में मदद करना, महीने में एक बार गाड़ी साफ करना, रोज कम से कम 2 घंटे सेल्फ स्टडी करना, दिन भर 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा टीवी न देखना, सुबह जल्दी उठने की आदत डालने और व्यायाम करना।
I'm Janvi Katkam from 9th Blue, wishing you all to have a sparkling new year and good days ahead. Right now, my short-term goal is to learn Punjabi and Marathi. My long-term goal is to become a successful interior designer and set up business in clay workshops and interior decors. My resolution for 2021 is to have productive days throughout the year. Thank you.
Hi Sanjana, how do you do? Happy to see you after a long time. How about the preparations for welcoming New Year? Going on good, but I am worried that we are not able to greet our teachers, friends by shaking hands. Hey, hi Kirtana, why are you looking very weak?
I am suffering from cold. Don't worry, I am tested negative.
Thank God, I miss all the things we used to do in our school.
I felt very bored of staying at home. I never thought that we would attend the class by just turning on the video and leave the class by just turning off the video.
Yes, that's true. This deadly virus messed up everything. We missed all the fun in the school due to this pandemic situation. Yes, but the positive thing is this pandemic has taught us a lot. We have learned how to survive even in crisis. Tell me, what have you learned, Sanjana? I have come to know the importance of protecting nature, social distance, doing things even in hard time. What have you learned, Kirtana?
I have come to know how hard doing the domestic works like cooking, mopping, etc. What have you learned, Preet?
I have learned technical knowledge. Anyway, with lot of lessons, we are welcoming New Year. Let us hope good days for next year. I have taken a resolution to avoid procrastination. What are your resolutions, Sanjana? I have decided to continue plantation in order to protect nature. What are your resolutions, Kirtana?
I have decided to concentrate on time management.
Anyway, it is high time we focused on our academics since this result determines our future. Let us leave all the negativity and welcome New Year.
Yes, let us hope for the best.
Wish you a very happy New Year to all of you.
Thank you.